made all the logical progressions in her career. Proved herself at the junior level. Faced adversity. Here now, a national championship in her first year in the senior meet.
Here we go. She fell on this move. Not that one, the one that's coming up here, actually. She's gonna try to connect this to the low bar, and all of her tough stuff is done. She puts this dismount right here to her feet, and Simone, but oh my goodness. Unbelievable. She didn't get her feet on the bar. She didn't just crack that door open, she flung it open.